Action 10's Sonia Hill with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Howdy, South Texas. Happy Friday. Well, residents of Northern California are digging out from the heaviest snowfall this season. Crews are working around the clock to keep the roads clear in the Sierra Mountain area. At the same time, state highway crews have to make sure that the snow that they shovel away isn't piling up on side streets. Even with crews working 12-hour shifts, drivers are still having difficulty traveling on those mountain roads. And here in South Texas, luckily snow is not a problem, but we are seeing the return of rain to our area. Luckily, throughout the day, we've seen some light rain moving northeast, and at this hour, we're mostly seeing rain in our northern counties and along the coast. But here in the next day, most of us will be seeing at least some rain. But right now in downtown Corpus Christi, warm and damp. We're sitting at 70 degrees, humidity very high, winds are light out of the southeast, currently sitting at 15 miles per hour, and we are seeing some light rain in the city. But taking a look at the highs for today, actually even warmer than the last few days have been. Many of us were back in the 70s on this Friday. Here in Corpus Christi included, 74 was our high. Ingleside close to 80 degrees, 76 today, 73 in Alice, and also 73 degrees in Beeville. And now taking a look at the temperatures across the state of Texas. Currently in Corpus Christi, one of the warmest communities, sitting at 70 degrees. Abilene right behind us, 67 degrees, 63 up in Amarillo, and 68 degrees in Midland. So pretty mild across the state. And looking ahead at tonight, we're going to see foggy conditions and light drizzle. So visibility will be very poor tonight and driving could be dangerous. Expect a low of 61 degrees tonight, and the winds will be out of the east-southeast tonight, only up to about 10 miles per hour. And looking ahead at tomorrow, unfortunately not the nicest day, but not a complete washout by any means. But we will be seeing showers and possibly even some isolated thunderstorms tomorrow. We'll see a high of 71 degrees, and the winds will be light throughout most of the day and variable, only up to about 10 miles per hour. And this is all ahead of our next front that's going to be arriving tomorrow night. Now breaking down our Saturday, 7 a.m. foggy with drizzle, 62 degrees by noon, warm with light rain, 67 degrees, and then 5 p.m. light rain, and we may even be seeing some isolated thunderstorms, 70 degrees. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation Sales Drive. Drive in for huge savings. Shop their inventory on their website. It's AutoNation.com. Now taking a look at the 7-day forecast, tomorrow showers and thunderstorms are expected all ahead of our next front that will be arriving Saturday night. Now this front will be a lot like our last one, dropping us into the 60s, giving us low humidity for the beginning of next week. But by Wednesday, we're going to see warmer temperatures, breezy conditions as well. And then next Friday, we'll see some isolated showers with another front that'll be dropping us back into the 60s and upper 50s for next weekend. That's all the time for me in weather. Andy, back to you.